Have you ever dreamed of going blisteringly fast, only to have your bank account remind you that you're not exactly rolling in cash? Well, here's some good news. You don't need to drop six figures to own a speed demon. Today, we're counting down the fastest cars you can buy for under $20,000. And trust me, number one on this list is so ridiculously fast for the price, you'll be questioning reality. Stick around, because not only are these cars affordable, they're also packed with enough horsepower to embarrass exotics at the stoplight. Plus, I'll throw in some real-world reliability tips so you don't end up buying a money pit. Number 10. Chevrolet Camaro SS 2010-2015. Kicking off our list is the American muscle icon, the 5th-gen Chevy Camaro SS. This beast packs a 6.2-liter V8 pushing out 426 horsepower. Yes, 426. That's supercar power in a car that costs less than a used Honda Civic Type R, 0 to 60, a blistering 4.5 seconds. The best part? The aftermarket support for Camaros is insane. Want more power? Just throw on a supercharger and suddenly you're making Hellcat owners nervous. It features a tight chassis, responsive steering, and an independent rear suspension, something its rival, the Mustang, was still struggling with in this era. Another bonus? The exhaust note. The Camaro SS doesn't just move fast, it sounds fast. A deep, guttural V8 roar that gets even meaner with an aftermarket catback exhaust. You'll be waking up the whole neighborhood, and honestly, isn't that half the fun? Now, for the downsides. Visibility is worse than your grandma's cataracts, and the interior feels like it was designed by someone who's never seen a luxury car before. The seats are comfortable, but the dashboard and center console scream cost-cutting. Plus, the car is heavy, weighs over 3,900 pounds. Number 9. Ford Mustang GT, 2011 to 2014. You knew it was coming. The Mustang GT is America's other muscle legend, and the 2011-2014 models feature the now iconic Coyote 5.0 V8. 412 horsepower, later bumped to 420 HP, a 0 to 60 time of 4.3 seconds, and a sound that makes pedestrians reconsider their life choices. It's also got a surprisingly refined ride compared to older Mustangs, meaning it won't shake your fillings out if you drive it daily. But it's not just about raw power. The Coyote engine is one of the most tunable, naturally aspirated V8s on the market. Slap on a cold air intake, upgrade the exhaust, and throw in a tune, and suddenly you're knocking on 450 HP without even touching forced induction. And if you really want to get wild, there are plenty of supercharger kits that will turn this into a 700-plus HP beast that can take down cars twice its price. Reliability is solid if you avoid the ones that have been drifted into every curb in America. Pro tip: check the rear quarter panels for battle scars. Also, keep an eye on the MT82 manual transmission. It's fun, but it's known for occasional issues with high RPM shifts. If you find one with an upgraded clutch or a short throw shifter, that's a major plus. Number 8. Nissan 370Z, 2009 to 2020. Maybe you're not about that muscle car life. Maybe you want something with finesse. Enter the Nissan 370Z. With a 3.7-liter V6 making 332 HP or 350 HP in the Nismo trim, this car is all about balance. It's rear-wheel drive, lightweight, and has a manual transmission option that's smoother than butter on a hot pancake. But the real magic of the 370Z lies in how it feels on the road. The chassis is well-balanced, and the car has an incredibly low center of gravity, making it feel planted even when pushing through tight corners. The short wheelbase and quick steering rack make it agile, perfect for carving up back roads or even hitting a few track days. And if you opt for the Nismo model, you get stiffer suspension, better aerodynamics, and a more aggressive exhaust note that makes downshifting downright addictive. Cons? The interior looks ancient, and Nissan forgot what modern tech means. The infotainment system is outdated, and there's a distinct lack of driver assistance features. But let's be real. If you're buying a 370Z, you're here for the driving experience, not lane keeping assist. The cargo space is also pretty limited, but if you're daily driving a sports car, practicality probably isn't your top concern anyway. Number 7. BMW 3P5i, 2007 to 2013. Luxury meets speed with the BMW 385i. This sneaky fast German sedan, or coupe, comes with a twin-turbo 3.0-liter inline-six, pushing out 300 HP. But with a simple tune, you can easily unlock 400 plus. around 4.8 seconds stock, but again, a $500 tune turns this thing into an Autobahn missile. What makes the 335i so special is that it bridges the gap between everyday luxury and serious performance. It's comfortable enough for daily driving with a plush interior and a well-insulated cabin. Yet, beneath that refined exterior lies a sports car just waiting to be unleashed. The N54 and N55 engines are famous for their tuning potential, and even a simple ECU remap can deliver significant power gains. Handling-wise, the 335i is no slouch. The rear-wheel drive setup offers sharp cornering dynamics, and BMW's chassis tuning makes sure you feel connected to the road. But, of course, there's a catch: BMW repair bills. They will hurt. The N54 engine, in particular, is infamous for high-pressure fuel pump failures, turbo wastegate rattles, and carbon buildup. If you're going this route, get one with a good maintenance history, or start making friends with a BMW specialist now. It's not a question of if you'll have to replace parts, it's when. Number 6. Dodge Challenger RT 2011-2016. Big, loud, and unapologetically American, the Challenger RT comes with a 5.7L Hemi V8 producing 375 HP. It's not the lightest car, but it's got straight-line speed that will make you giggle like a kid in a candy store. Plus, if you prefer cruising with comfort, the Challenger's roomy interior makes it one of the most comfortable fast cars you can buy. What sets the Challenger apart from its muscle car rivals is its sheer presence on the road. It's big, bold, and turns heads everywhere it goes. The aggressive front grille, wide stance, and menacing headlights make sure no one mistakes it for anything else. On the road, the 5.7L Hemi doesn't just sound mean. The torque-heavy V8 pulls hard from low RPMs, making highway pulls effortless and burnouts inevitable. Negatives? It's heavier than a small moon, tipping the scales at over 4,000 pounds, so handling isn't its strong suit. While it can hold its own in a straight line, don't expect it to dance through corners like a lightweight sports car. Number 5. Subaru WRX STI 2011-2017. What if you want speed and all-wheel drive grip? Meet the Subaru WRX STI. With 305 HP, a turbocharged boxer engine, and rally-bred handling, this car can take corners like a roller coaster on rails. Plus, with a few bolt-ons and a tune, these things turn into absolute monsters. The WRX STI isn't just fast, it's engineered for thrill seekers. With Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive system, it offers insane grip in all conditions. Whether you're launching from a standstill, carving up canyon roads, or taking on a dirt rally course. The hydraulic steering provides some of the best road feedback you'll find in any modern car, making every drive feel engaging and precise. And let's not forget the sound. The distinctive boxer rumble from the quad exhaust is music to any car enthusiast's ears. A simple intake, exhaust, and tune can push it well beyond 350 HP, and with a bigger turbo, you're looking at numbers that can take down supercars. The downside? Subaru engines can be finicky if not maintained properly. The EJ25 engine is notorious for ringland failures and blown head gaskets if neglected, so keeping up with regular maintenance, especially oil changes, is critical. If you buy one, make sure it hasn't been owned by a 19-year-old who thought launching it at every stoplight was a good idea. Number 4. Cadillac CTS-V 2004-2007. This might be the most underrated car on the list. The first-gen CTS-V packs a Corvette-sourced 5.7L LS6 V8 making 400 HP. A luxury sedan with a Corvette heart? Yes, please. It's also got a 6-speed manual, making it one of the few fast luxury sedans that still let you row your own gears. The CTS-V isn't just about straight-line speed. It handles surprisingly well for a car of its size. Thanks to a sport-tuned suspension and rear-wheel drive layout, it remains composed through corners while still delivering that raw American muscle feel. The steering is tight and the brakes are strong enough to rein in all that power when needed. Another huge plus? Tuning potential. The LS6 engine is a favorite among enthusiasts for its reliability and responsiveness to modifications. Downside? Early CTS-Vs had weak rear differentials, which tended to fail under aggressive driving. Get one that's been upgraded and you're golden. Also, while the Cadillac badge suggests luxury, don't expect Mercedes or BMW levels of refinement. Number 3. Audi S4 2010-2016. German engineering strikes again. The 2010-2016 Audi S4 comes with a supercharged 3.0L V6 making 333 HP. But like the BMW, it's easily tunable to 400 plus. With Quattro all-wheel drive, it grips the road like glue, and the interior is peak Audi luxury. The steering is precise, and the adaptive suspension makes it just as comfortable on long highway cruises as it is carving through twisty back roads. The S4 is one of the most well-rounded cars on this list. It offers a refined cabin with high-quality materials, supportive sport seats, and tech features that still hold up today. Performance-wise, the supercharged V6 delivers power smoothly, with an instant throttle response and a wide power band that makes accelerating effortless. Negatives? Maintenance isn't cheap, and some models had DSG transmission issues, so do your homework before buying. Carbon buildup in the intake manifold is also common, so regular cleaning is necessary to keep performance at its peak. Number 2. Chevrolet Corvette C5, 1997 to 2004. How did I almost forget about the Corvette? The C5 is a performance bargain. With a 5.7L LS1 V8 cranking out 350 HP, it's a rocket ship for the price. It also handles surprisingly well and has one of the most tunable engines on the planet. The lightweight composite body helps keep the weight down, making it more nimble than its muscle car rivals, while the near 50-50 weight distribution ensures balanced handling. One of the best aspects of the C5 is its sheer versatility. Whether you're looking for a weekend track toy, a fun daily driver, or a highway cruiser, it excels in all areas. The removable targa top adds a bit of open-air excitement, making summer drives even more enjoyable. Plus, the LS1 engine isn't just powerful, it's bulletproof. Biggest issue? Interior quality. It's made of plastic so cheap it makes a kid's toy look premium. The seats aren't the most supportive, and the dashboard feels a bit dated. Road noise can also be a bit excessive, especially on longer drives. But hey, at least you're going fast. Number 1. Porsche 911 996, 1999-2004. And here we are. The best fast car under 20K? A Porsche 911. Specifically, the 996 generation. This car gives you a genuine Porsche flat 6 rear engine layout, and handling that makes you feel like a driving god. It makes between 296 to 320 HP, does 0 to 60 in around 4.5 seconds, and is shockingly reliable. If you get one with a fixed IMS bearing, beyond just speed, the 996 offers an engaging driving experience that few cars in this price range can match. The steering is incredibly precise. The 6-speed manual transmission is a joy to operate, delivering smooth shifts and making every drive feel like an event. Yes, the headlights look like fried eggs, but who cares? You're driving a 911 for less than a new Toyota Camry. Plus, with a few tasteful modifications, like a better intake, performance exhaust, and a lightweight flywheel, you can unlock even more of that legendary Porsche magic. 10 insane cars that'll give you serious speed without emptying your bank account. Whether you're into muscle, JDM, Euro, or sleeper sedans, there's something here for everyone. So which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments. And don't skip the next video on your screen.